Hello, my friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the most beautiful and luxurious places on Earth. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey through the stunning resort town of Cannes, located on the dazzling French Riviera. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or dreaming of your next adventure, this is a place that will captivate your heart. And here's a little teaser. By the end of our walk, we'll find ourselves near the iconic red carpet at the Palace of Festivals. If you've ever dreamed of catching a glimpse of Cannes' legendary glamour, you're in for a treat. Tonight, we'll witness a photo shoot right on the red carpet. Cannes is famous worldwide for its glamour, but have you ever wondered where its name comes from? The name Cannes is said to originate from the word canna, meaning reeds. According to legend, long ago, the area was covered in these tall plants swaying in the breeze, giving the town its poetic name. Today, Cannes is a vibrant mix of history, elegance, and modern luxury. It's not just a destination, it's a lifestyle. Celebrities, artists, and travelers from around the globe come here to enjoy its golden beaches, exclusive events, and picturesque streets. Imagine strolling along the famous Boulevard Croisette, lined with palm trees, chic boutiques, and grand hotels that seem to whisper stories of past Hollywood icons. The architecture here is a blend of old-world charm and contemporary design. You'll find everything from quaint Provençal-style houses to sleek modern apartments overlooking the Mediterranean. Each street, fountain, and square tells its own story, inviting you to explore more. So, get comfortable, grab your favorite drink, and join us on this delightful walking tour through Cannes. There's so much to discover. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and click the bell so you never miss our next adventure. Are you ready? Let's dive into the magic of Cannes together. As we step out of the underground car park on Farache Boulevard, we find ourselves on Louis Blanc Street, named after the 19th century French historian and politician. This charming street leads us to Bernard Cornut Square, where the Cannes Town Hall stands proudly. Looking up, we see the iconic Cannes sign perched on the hill, a landmark that welcomes visitors with its bold letters. To the right, the bell tower of the Church of Our Lady of Good Hope rises above the skyline. This historic church, known as Notre Dame de l'Espérance, dates back to the 16th century and features a clock that has kept time for generations. Its hilltop location offers breathtaking views of the city and the Mediterranean Sea, blending spirituality with scenic beauty. The town hall, built in a classic 19th century style, reflects the elegance of Cannes' rich history. Its symmetrical facade and ornate details are a testament to the town's dedication to preserving its architectural heritage. Walking along Felix Fourth Street, we catch a glimpse of the Cannes Town Hall from the back, adorned with French flags fluttering gracefully in the breeze. This patriotic display reminds us of the town's deep-rooted connection to French culture. As we stroll along the pedestrian section of Louis Blanc Street, we're greeted by the enchanting sight of illuminated fountains. These sparkling water features add a touch of magic to the street, creating a soothing ambience. Nearby, a talented saxophonist sits on a bench, pouring his soul into an impromptu melody that captures the glamorous essence of Cannes. Surrounding us are striking citrus trees in large orange pots, a playful nod to the Mediterranean's abundant fruit orchards. These vibrant trees, with their glossy green leaves and occasional bursts of fruit, add life and color to this stylish street. We now reach the main pedestrian square, nestled between Louis Blanc Street and the building where McDonald's is located. This area was once home to majestic plane trees, but they were removed to make way for the square's modern design. In their place, young Mediterranean palms have been planted, offering shade and a fresh, contemporary feel. The square became pedestrianized to create a welcoming space for locals and visitors to relax, free from the hustle of traffic. Surrounding it, the buildings house bustling cafes and restaurants, many with terraces overlooking the sea. Their architecture blends contemporary designs with traditional Riviera charm, making this square a lively hub for food, conversation, and seaside views. Standing before the fountain at the foot of the Lord Brougham statue, we pause to appreciate the significance of this spot. Lord Henry Brougham, a British statesman, is credited with putting Cannes on the map. In the 1830s, he made Cannes his winter retreat, popularizing it as a destination for European aristocracy. The statue and fountain pay homage to his influence, reminding visitors of the man who transformed this quiet fishing village into a world-renowned resort town. We've now arrived at the Splendid Hotel, an elegant building that exudes Cannes' timeless allure. With its grand balconies and traditional facade, this hotel has hosted travelers from around the globe. Above, rows of international flags flutter proudly, symbolizing the diversity of guests who stay here. On the ground floor, a cafe and restaurant invite passers-by to enjoy a meal or drink while soaking in the vibrant atmosphere of this iconic location. At General de Gaulle Square, we find a charming fountain, its waters dancing gracefully under the sunlight. Nearby, the retro-style diner steak and shake adds a nostalgic touch to the modern vibe of this area. This square, named after General Charles de Gaulle, celebrates a key figure in French history while serving as a lively spot where past and present seamlessly blend. Ahead of us stands the Casino Croisette, a symbol of luxury and entertainment in Cannes. This glamorous venue has been a hotspot for high-stakes gaming, fine dining, and dazzling performances for decades. A favorite among celebrities and visitors alike, the casino reflects Cannes' reputation as a destination for indulgence and elegance. Between the casino and the tourist office, marked by the vibrant sign #Cannes, lies one of the iconic staircases with a red carpet. The nearby building with the inclined glass facade is the Palace of Festivals and Congresses, a world-famous venue for the Cannes Film Festival. This red carpet staircase is a symbol of prestige, welcoming stars from around the globe. Interestingly, there are two of these red-carpeted staircases, one for formal arrivals and another for additional access during major events. Each staircase adds to the glamour and allure that makes Cannes a global icon of cinema. As we walk near the Palace of Festivals, the camera focuses on the handprints embedded in tiles along the promenade. These prints honor renowned filmmakers, actors, and industry legends who have left their mark on the Cannes Film Festival. It's a tradition similar to Hollywood's Walk of Fame, celebrating cinematic achievements. Each artist earns the privilege to immortalize their handprint through their contributions to the world of cinema. But not everyone leaves identical marks. Some chose one palm to stand out, symbolizing uniqueness, while others place both hands as a gesture of complete legacy. One fascinating story involves Quentin Tarantino, who reportedly joked about carefully positioning his hands to create an everlasting impression that would intrigue fans for years. One of the most unusual imprints belongs to legendary actress Sophia Loren, who chose to leave only one handprint rather than the traditional two. The reason? Loren wanted her handprint to reflect her belief in individuality and her unique journey in cinema. Another interesting tale involves Steven Spielberg, who famously laughed while pressing his hands into the wet tile. He quipped about the odd sensation of wet cement and joked that his hands were better suited to holding a camera than creating lasting impressions in stone. These prints are a permanent reminder of the stars who've graced Cannes, and no, they cannot be replaced or imitated. Each tile is as unique as the artist it represents. We now see the second red carpet, closer to the beach and wider than the first. Without handrails in the center, this staircase often hosts spectacular moments during the Cannes Film Festival. Here, photographers capture stunning shots as stars ascend to glittering premieres. It's a stage for fashion, fame, and cinematic celebration, where every step tells a story of elegance and creativity. The camera now captures the elegant La Majestic Barrière, a luxurious, white multi-story hotel renowned for hosting celebrities during the Cannes Film Festival. Its prime location and impeccable service make it a favorite for those seeking opulence by the sea. Nearby, we see prestigious stores like Omega, Burma, and Louis Vuitton, Though they are currently hidden behind fencing due to renovations on the Croisette, these boutiques reflect Cannes' reputation as a hub for high-end shopping, combining timeless elegance with modern sophistication. Even behind the barriers, their presence speaks to the luxury that defines this world-famous promenade. As we stroll along the Croisette Embankment, we're surrounded by the natural beauty that makes Cannes so enchanting. Towering palm trees sway gracefully in the breeze, accompanied by stone pines and other tall trees with lush crowns that provide welcome shade. On our other side lies the beach, dotted with colorful beach umbrellas, a picturesque pier stretching into the water, and vibrant restaurants and discos set directly on the sand. On the embankment itself, we spot the famous blue chairs, perfectly positioned to allow visitors to relax and gaze at the sea. These iconic chairs were introduced to Cannes decades ago to encourage people to pause and enjoy the stunning views. Their blue color was chosen to reflect the hues of the Mediterranean sky and sea, creating a seamless connection to the surroundings. Large pots along the walkway are filled with vibrant plants like bougainvillea, oleanders, and lavender, adding splashes of pink, white, and purple to this picturesque promenade. Ahead, the Marriott Hotel comes into view, beautifully illuminated as the setting sun bathes it in warm golden light. Its elegant facade adds to the glamour of the Croisette. The embankment stretches before us once more, with the iconic blue chairs inviting us to sit and enjoy the peaceful evening. To our right, the beach glows in the soft light of sunset, as the rhythmic sound of waves and the gentle hum of beachgoers create the perfect Riviera ambience. And now, the iconic Carlton Hotel stands before us, bathed in twilight with its elegant evening lights creating a magical atmosphere. This legendary hotel, built in 1911 by Swiss architect Charles Dalmas, has become a symbol of Cannes glamour and sophistication. Over the years, it has hosted countless celebrities from Grace Kelly to Alfred Hitchcock, and even served as a filming location for the classic movie To Catch a Thief. The Carlton's facade is a masterpiece of Belle Époque architecture, with its distinct domes at each end. Said to have been inspired by the curves of a famous French courtesan, its grand entrance crowned by a clock exudes timeless elegance. There's something enchanting about seeing the Carlton in the soft evening light. If you're curious to know more about its storied past and see what's inside, make sure to keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and click the bell so you never miss an adventure with us. Let's step inside to the hotel's courtyard, a serene space where the windows of luxurious rooms overlook cozy tables. Guests are enjoying drinks and fine dining under the shade of sun umbrellas, creating an intimate and relaxed atmosphere in this iconic setting. In one of the Carlton's halls, we find an intriguing glass display case showcasing items from Orobar Brown, a luxury beachwear brand. Inside, there's a sleek white and red model boat emblazoned with the brand name, surrounded by stylish shorts, polo shirts, towels, and even vibrant beach skirts and flip-flops. This display highlights Cannes' blend of luxury, fashion, and the Riviera's relaxed elegance, a perfect touch in this prestigious hotel. Now, we enter the Carlton's main lobby, a space of sheer opulence and beauty. Towering columns are adorned with potted palms and flowers, while magnificent chandeliers hang from the ceiling. These chandeliers are breathtaking, white with a subtle pink-purple glow, adding a soft warmth to the grandeur of the room. Each chandelier is unique, making the lobby a feast for the eyes and a testament to timeless luxury. Back on the Croisette, the scene has transformed. The embankment is now illuminated in warm red light, creating a cozy and romantic atmosphere. Vacationers stroll leisurely along the promenade, enjoying the vibrant nightlife, while the Carlton Hotel peeks through the trees, its glow adding to the evening magic. Finally, we arrive at the stunning Martinez Hotel, beautifully lit in the evening. Opened in 1929, the Martinez is one of Cannes' most prestigious landmarks. Known for its Art Deco architecture, it exudes timeless sophistication. This hotel is famous for hosting stars and industry elites during the Cannes Film Festival, with its legendary penthouse suite being one of the largest and most luxurious in Europe. Its beach club and Michelin-starred restaurant add to its allure, making it a favorite among those seeking Riviera luxury. The evening lighting enhances its grandeur, and its proximity to the sea offers guests breathtaking views. The Martinez is more than a hotel, it's a part of Cannes' rich history and enduring charm. Something exciting is happening just ahead. We're approaching the iconic red carpet, and the energy here is absolutely electric. What could be unfolding on this glamorous evening? Stay with us to discover the magic, and you won't miss what's coming next. Here we are, right in front of the dazzling red carpet, and what a sight it is. We're incredibly fortunate to be here at this exact moment, witnessing such elegance and celebration. The Cannes Film Festival has just concluded, and tonight might be the after-party, or perhaps another prestigious event. The atmosphere is alive with excitement as beautifully dressed attendees grace the red carpet, their outfits radiating style and sophistication. Every detail, from their impeccable taste to their joyful expressions, speaks of the glamour of Cannes. Guests pose confidently for a flurry of photographers while snapping selfies for their social media. Imagine scrolling through Instagram or Facebook later and spotting some of these photos. It's like being part of this exclusive world. Ever wondered how much a ticket to such an event might cost? It's said that entry to some of these gatherings comes with a price tag as dazzling as the outfits on display, fitting for such a prestigious occasion. But the real value lies in experience. Walking this iconic carpet and mingling with industry elites is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for most. Over the years, the red carpet has been the stage for some unforgettable moments. From surprise celebrity appearances to heartfelt speeches and iconic fashion debuts, this space captures the essence of cinema's grandeur. In recent times, a quirky story surfaced about an actor who lost a shoe on the carpet, but played it off with charm, turning the mishap into a memorable photo opportunity. Events like these on the red carpet are more than just glamorous. They're a celebration of art, creativity, and human connection. Tonight, we're lucky to witness this enchanting world firsthand. As we continue our walk through Cannes, the city enchants us even more. On our way, we pass picturesque restaurants glowing warmly under the evening lights, each promising an unforgettable dining experience. To our left, the monument to Lord Brougham stands illuminated, its timeless elegance shining bright against the night. What a journey this has been! From the iconic Croisette to the red carpet, Cannes has once again proven why it's a world-class destination. If you've enjoyed this tour, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and click the bell to stay connected for more amazing adventures. Until next time, happy travels